Hello everyone, I am your science teacher Miss Seema. Today I will explain class 7 topic chemical changes. Hello students, today I will explain you the concept of chemical changes. So, what are chemical changes? Chemical changes are the changes in which new substances are formed. The new substances usually cannot return to their original form. So, in this topic, I will show you the chemical reaction, a small activity in which I will show you a chemical reaction. For this activity, we will use vinegar, which is also known as acetic acid. We will take baking soda, which is also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate, and balloon. Now I am taking this balloon and adding baking soda, filling this balloon with baking soda. Then we will see the reaction. You can see this is how you will take the baking soda in balloon. Now I will put this balloon on the bottle. You can see this bottle contains acetic acid and reaction will take place. This is how now you can see the balloon fills with air. Can you guess which air is released with the help of this experiment? When acetic acid reacts with baking soda, carbon dioxide gas is released. So, in this balloon, we have trapped carbon dioxide gas. Now, I have taken lime juice. This balloon contains carbon dioxide. So, let's prove it. You can see the lime water, when it reacts with carbon dioxide, it turns into milky. You can see the effervescence. That means this balloon contains carbon dioxide and it reacted with the lime water. Now I will explain you the reactions which took place. We use acetic acid, vinegar, and when acetic acid added with the sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda, both of them were mixed, product was formed, and that product is known as sodium acetate plus water plus carbon dioxide. So you all have seen the carbon dioxide gas which we had trapped in the balloon. Next reaction was when we used carbon dioxide and we added with lime water, calcium carbonate was formed and water was released. So this was the second reaction which we took using lime water, and when calcium carbonate was formed, that gives us proof that the balloon consists of air which is rich in carbon dioxide. So at last, with the use of this activity, you are able to understand the chemical changes. Again, in chemical changes, a new substance is formed. So here calcium carbonate was formed when we added carbon dioxide to lime water, and if we talk about acetic acid, vinegar with baking soda, the new substance was formed was sodium acetate and carbon dioxide. So I hope this concept is clear to everyone. Thank you.